Good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome, guys. Oh, my Devin, what's happening, my brother? Ibadi, chala deliyot, chala kwaisin bas. This is a general updating. We're updating you on what's going on. For tuning, che nerendial. Gana salamkum. I'm greeting you. We will update you on what's going on. Yeah, Dankawi, I will block your ass. Ana madere pamale. I said man min danka al gadi chitim pamale. We do not go to your live video to insult you. If you don't want to be here, nobody call you. Nobody call your motherfucker here to talk garbage. Media, they ma media but danka. This is not where you intimidating people. Media but danga katir. There's a lot of media but danga. I said man but danga al gadi chitim pamale. I will block your motherfucker. You come here to listen. Tamasha young wife video with Adanga talking nonsense. You go do your live video. Itama there kalama gada kalampu male. You go do your live video. Why are you forcing yourself? Why are you coming here to talk garbage? It's a sharp young white. Do you see us one day going to live video with Adanga? Did you see us such manina walata Adanga da kalab del ko somkum? Tum sharp na young white. Nas gada kalam Adanga da such manin bleeding. Nobody got a kalam kalam batakum. Itum amchi video batakum. Nobody warn you. You are garbage. Raise batakum garbage. Got a bull be jism batao. Raise batakum got a door there, but mafia your quest for yet batakum. What the fuck are you saying here? You know, you try to intimidate people that will not talk. Why should you not talk? Can you look at raise batakum, such man batakum manado salvakere? Such man batakum manado salvakere, got a bull be jism batao. Utum dang got do you a mouth to talk? Do you have mouth to talk by Chandanga? But mind of Fadir. Chandanga mind of Fadir was Tumbaji the Kalamana. What do you have to tell us? Raise got a bull with Jismutao. Raise got a bull with Jismutao. Raise Taban, Sajman, Taban got the door of the beggar. What do you want to try to tell us? You cannot intimidate us. You should be ashamed of yourself. To be called a danga today, they Fadir Kabir, they Fadir. You cannot intimidate all South Sudanese. You know, you should be minding your fucking garbage. Banado Salbakir for Jubadade. Useless man, idiot, dumbass. Zol Kabir Zede Omada Shibet without. Got a bull for Jism without. Zol got a car with Jism without. And you try to run your mouth in a gal danga. What the fuck is danga? Indaguna danga. Danga into to intimidate people. To Mukufi live video but another without shame. To be chuba na young white, to chuba na young white, gonna quit for live video with Adanga said man. Did you see me one day coming to live video with Adanga? Ya Chiramizo ko some kumutum chabzo young white and Gabila Tadi, got to quit for live video with Adanga, got to shoot live video with Adanga, the official got to quit enough. You've been isolated. You've been isolated and nobody warned you. And we feel like shame that and then a Gabila but Adanga with Junus. Clip socket, you can't amoldo for Junub, Udanga is shilu for Malta, clip can quest. Clip joke sakade no kana malunas figaba o denga de shilu clip jibula nas can quest. We feel like shame to have a tribe but I do denga vijinu Sudan. Now look at you. God is shitimo alele raise but Africa kulu uniting against you. Then we have nothing to say. A collapse socket, not but a akil socket. Raise but I'm got a shop Marisa Fijuba, Dola Mama Shigadam. Dole mama shewara gadi biu begar charamis fi bet akwenyu wala malgede akwala malgede muno malgede dare and you see running your mouth on social media and say manin badal klib bitakum nem chi musaifa klib bitakum manaru salva kerem chi musaifa da you here arguing with us what are you arguing why are you arguing with us you cannot intimidate us. Benigu itakade de social media another beniga. Besula another beniga. What do you have? You have nothing. So you know when mother danga we mother in danga. I the banadu danga de. I real but danga de. We don't want you. You've been isolated. Ma bizol there. Ma fi gabila there with Sudan. So you go do your live video. Say what you want to say. I'm sure I'm a live video but kalam whatever you want to talk there. But motherfucker, you come here, your ears will be blocked. Your head, you will never come here again. I don't have time to weather this motherfucker. Lara, ma fi gabila but I karab Junub Sudan. Ma fi zol kabir but I got a bull which is mutaw fi Juba. The danga yo got a bull which is mutaw. Salva Kiir got a door ria but I fin fi gadam nas gadam Africa. Salva Kiir ma ki Africa Union then nas mutuk nakaru kulum zere. Afin. And you try to no, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, you have nothing to say here. Being called danga today, it is a shame name. It is a shame name. I shall zol in Adu danga zar fi Junub Sudan. Shame. And we feel sorry to have somebody, to have Gabila fi Junub Sudan, to have a tribe as our neighbor, but Adu danga. We feel ashamed. And not a Junubin Kulu. That we sharing a country with not Sabani zere. People belet with a Nuer or belet with a Chiluk or belet with a Gabila, Salva Kiir, Bunum Musachwa. Be Shilu fi Musachwa. Lan Lloyd got a bull which is a you don't belong here. You belong to Musachwa. Like in a collab, the Utunga, in social media, you try to argue with us. To budget the live video, you try to talk nonsense. Now get the fuck out of here. Nobody need danker. My dad, video, my dad, we don't need you. We don't need you. Get the fuck out of here. We don't need you. Go make your motherfucker video now. Nobody care. Nobody think about danker. My shagalin be danker. We're thinking about Saint Manin de Bishilo Parake Bukurzede. Junub de Baksamukef. Junub de Baksamukef. I shan danga them she couldn't do dollar without row. Dollar raise got a carabajis raise. Affin. The dollar with a danga down. Dollar raise got the shum the beggar. Smelling like a cow. Raise smelling like a cow. Dollar zol buxel white without the bull with a beggar. Yeah, my dad in there, danga to mammal for the Elena. Look at and further is updating the African people. African people. They do a good job. Africa now, the media there, they're looking at finally. The African nation is waking up to them a tribal government. And they're calling it what it is. Tribal government. When we tell you Kulmayom there, that's ma fi zol der hukuma batakum de. Kada look for TikTok. Look TikTok with Africa kulu de. Chitimu gadi chitimu Salva Kiir gadi chitimu Gabila kulu. Africa kulu. It's not about Nuer. It's not about Shiluk. It's not about any tribe. And the entire Africa now agandanga. The entire fucking Africa kulu agandanga. Le lana sajman de fi gadam batanas galde reis batawen de. Clip de reis damunu. Zol got a car with Jesus without Zol Affin. Zol Affin. But the Zol MC Musaifa, Lisa got a color manas. What are you saying? So Africa now, part of my updating, congratulations to Africa. Africa ma rising up now against Salva Kiir, my tribal regime without it. This killing of Nuer, fi your job Michela Kabir, killing of Nuer fi lawde jam mikla kabir le kalaw banadu danga de o kadno chup hukuma da danga da bamshi wen de munel bamsu gwaza de the entire Africa is speaking out loud against danga and they calling it what it is hukuma da gabile hukuma da sajmanin nas dwang be marisa bas fi Juba sakranin be marisa bas kulmayom boktul fi yal da Junub Sudan boktul fi musaqbal da Junub Sudan. The munu de denga lele vi Junub fi Africa kulu nobody. Gadi shubu denga zede Gabila was kan. Gabila Affin, Gabila Manafa. Useless tribe. Useless tribe. Gabila al boktul finas. Zul gadi hor fi jisu mutaw lisa boktul finas. Fi bila ta denga. Ashan zul gadi nik denga de. Utum mushub gal benik Gabel kulum. Da Salva Kiir mutaw no gadi nik denga. Ma benik Gabel kulum. Benik denga de. Nano gadi nik denga bubluas. Kada nik denga inak, lakin ma benik Gabila tani. Nobody need you. Ma bizul der denga bi Junub Sudan. Kulu. Denga zara amshi amalau dola bataw. Amshi amalak dola bataw. Lan you shame up. The entire Africa kulu now is watching and Africa is talking. You know? Media of Africa now, they show media about Africa. Coach for media about Africa, for TikTok everywhere. People are talking about this denga government. That's people, something need to be done. A government that are uniting everybody to target one tribe. To target one tribe without shame. Such money, y'all, a collab got there, a color man, as Galban, Arum and Danga. Danga, do you know? lo denga da Maria bada Salva Kiir la fin da fiya jatane Reis ga da bul bi jisu mutaw Reis ga da bul bi jisu mutaw an denga lisa ga da kalam muk butaw go bas gal fiya ba na monjang wende da ma ya Salva Kiir la fin de that why now Salva Kiir ma bu kuj fi UN min ma kuj fi UN ria afin ga da bul bi jisu mutaw Reis ga da bul bi jisu mutaw ga dam UN ماشي African Union in there مالو قاعد فيه فضل مويه كله في African Union motherfucker say ما أنا ويرين ساكت مالكم كلاو دينغا بالميديا بتاعهم nobody care about what you say أمشي بالميديا بتاعك كلام فارغ بتاعك nobody care but when we come here we talk about something more important and people we talk about denga 24/7 لأن denga is killing children than us يالا بقتلوا هذا ده بيلاو ده يال than us يالا بقتلوا في أيوة ده يال than us and we will make the world aware, the entire Africa, those who care to listen that Okuma there need to be dealt with. Okuma Denga they need to be dealt with. And we are glad now to see young Africa with social media there calling what it is. That Okuma tribal man. Yeah, tum Denga they shame on you, yeah. Tum Mabakalam Manazada. We saw it and then a Gabila Banadu Denga with Sudan. Kalabia, you are the majority, right? Go make your own country. I'm Shamal Dollar attack. Later, they're good, man. That's not my dad. Why you want to live with us? I'm not my dad. Mafi Gabila, dad, but you know that. Go do your own country. It is you, Nuer is 10 times better than Dengade. A Kalaba Banaru, Dengade, Nuer is 10 times better than you. Lana, Zolbata, Nuer, Rajil, Lobul, Bijisumutao, Bechil, Sula, but Rob Nafsu. But Rob Nafsu. Rajil Nuer lo bul be jisu mutaw su gidam nak be kiel sala ba taram no lakin denga na do kere bul be jisu mutaw oh liza ga the door they be gidam nak okay what the fuck where you go tama you went a clip from mak tama you went bariya la fende galu rais bita jinu Sudan rais bita ummak ganin do rais zede fi junub ma will do better than this junub will do better than this لو في قبيل ولا يعني شلوك دول كبير زي بول بجسم بتاعه انه بربطوا بمسكوا بقوه بربطوا بيشيلوا في مستشفى يا كلام قسمكم يا دانجا ايوه ناديه تم جافه دي لجنوبين يا جنوبيه we are so proud to be Genovinian we are so proud to be black we want to be around other African. We want to be respected by Kenya, by Uganda, by any African, like we respect them. But how can we be respected? In Tramde, no balga okay, Reis Batana got a bull with Jisumutao. Reis Batana got a bull with Jisumutao. Urinating on himself. How can we talk in front of Africa? Lofi Reis got a bull with Jisumutao. How can we do that? Yes, man, Sagada got some kumia. Do not mark what is in. Tum not ma ko isin kolokol Nuer che bay ray Nuer che fan mo ray de Salva Kiir fele gof lay de gof de zo le sej man karab dole ga de dor fu ga malam de African kullu na do what de smell de juna fen de zol bul bi jism daw zol kabir o ma de kuj bi musajfa clip ma de kuj bi musajfa da kalam bañ bas gale na du de bañ bi da din gu ma sil bañ bi da um de ya ngirra ko sumkum ay nala dinkum say manine Arab they can 20 times better than this government. Umar Bashir was 20 times better than this garbage. Sadiq al-Mahdi was 20 times better than this garbage. Soradaw Khan was 20 times better than this garbage. Sadiq al-Mahdi was 10 times better than this garbage. Nimeri Khan 10 times better than this garbage. We were better. I don't know Sudanese. We were better as Sudanese. But the Linaro no Junubina Lele, Ufi, Gabila Tan, Sajman, God, Figudam, Madanas, raised got a bull which is in the medical condition. Lord, the medical condition, my shield of Musaifa Kalaf. Medical condition, Bumsuku Jomora, Bejivla, Gada, Tamarisa. Medical condition. Do you have to feed him, Marisa? Magari Yellow, do of Musaifa, do a Dictor Catabo. Madam medical condition. My shield kill it, but I'm the Musaifa. I shall my amal Fadi Elenas. Some come about Malitum Kef. And you see on social media, you have mouth to talk. Take out the sugar is, but out there, Maji, the Maji, the Bugada, Baraga, there was the chameleon. Maji get a tata, ta dol kabir da dol batata fi gidam nas utum liza baji bi social media you try to argue with that mikila batana shinu ya san manin mikila batana shinu kila banadu denga de ma shil generation mu da bata mu musaj bai sai ma yamut fi yadda kum sagat shilu bu musaj fa shilu le doctor ya kusum بدل تعمل أجيو من ماما أنا بماله شيل راجلو مقبورة دبّن يوم ده كسم ده شيلو بمساعدة شيلو بمساعدة عشان يعالجو لا you need medical attention it doesn't need no election no كسم ده medical attention ياو دارو يا زول ده عشان يشيلو في قدام ناس في الدنيا ده قال ده رئيس بتاع دولة fuck all of you no dollar de bishilo bara fiye bitagum dollar de yawde now Africa is rising up against you. They are speaking loudly against you now. Targeting of Nuer, killing of Nuer civilian become African business now. Become everybody business now for Africa. Lana Africa much gedam be technology. Wa collab de liza gari shil na wara jata tribalism. Nona denga de reis betana targeting of Nuer. Ita gari shubi yal ta Nuer bok to lose de yal so garin da bawo man de adenga liza gari kalam social media ga salbakir mai golew kusumu mai golew ke wo bok to las mai wo bok to las yal so garin de al da bawo de fiya yo de salbakir amula jade de salbakir betakum de kilib betakum de zol mai do musakbal riya betaw afel de mai do musakbal kalas mai do musakbal fi Africa mai do musakbal fi mal yo bok to yal ta na zede and you want us to behave good. You want her to sing kumbaya. You want her to say something good about Denga. Kusum wala lo rubuna zado biga Denga zado kusum rubuna. Rubuna zado biga Denga zado kusum rubuna. Inala dinkum. Nas was kanin. Nas bilidin. You come into social media try to argue with us for what? Tamaga the shuba sorra. A sorra yal sukarin salvakir boktul view. You don't see those pictures on social media. You think it's a joke. Ya kalaba da Denga do baji show. You think it's a joke. That's kusum batawun badaba fi yal da junuf musakbal da junuf and you think it's a joke and you come to social media there Salva Kiir must be respected for what? Salva Kiir is tremule. Why should we respect him? Can you give us one fucking reason why should we respect him? Zol boktul musakbal da junuf Sudan ma cha madir ra UN below they shouldn't ja madir ra UN ma this atrocity killing of innocent Nuer. And you think Mikila de Bogum Saget Buduna Lama Shubo? No, fuck all of you and fuck all Salva Kiir, but Salva Kiir be Chitimula Lunar. Lana Moji Chitimuzaro, Lofisula Dar, a Dorobu Figinezo, Mal Fiu Gerade, Mal Fiu Gerald Figalgat without a Dorobu Bar Fiji. RFG a Dorobu Kotuska of Dowd. RFG a Doroba Kotuska of Mayam Dowd, it could Figinezo Mal Fiu Gerald Kosumu. Kosumu. Tumbade da nana not my Salva Kiir not my kalam. Ita gari chup a sorta yal so karin da Nuer. Denga yo boktul human. Policy but denga. And yal sharamid denga little bit if you online you try to argue with us. That's not my kalam. Try to intimidate people. Not garin for America. You try to intimidate us for America. You try to intimidate us for Canada. You try to intimidate us for Australia. That we cannot talk. And you think this is a Juba. Juba din gumde. No, I just sharma the batawum gadamal for Juba. For America, they will speak our mind. And we will let the world know, like we let the world know today, that war crime is being committed by Denga against Nuer. Oh, Denga, the coward. You cannot pass Nuer kai Gabile. The Boktul Nuer, the Boktul targeting Nuer, you're using other tribes. You're using other groups. Later, my Boktul Lotum Rujal to Denga. Why to my Boktul Nuer be yet attack? Leo to my Boktul Nuer. Leo to Garjib, Shulu Gutum Garjib, Gabel Kun low to Makawet, Kosomkum. Low to Makawet. The way you targeting Nuer, Mother's only to Michel Manuel, low in the Michel Manuel, my past Nuer Kai Gabila Magabela. I shall know. Past Nuer low to Rujale, Kosumbatagum Salbakere, Udanga Kula de Kosumkum de past Nuer Kai Rujal, ma took to Nuer by chocolate a coward. The chocolate a coward. The chocolate a coward. The my chocolate as all going. The chocolate a coward. The Boktul Vialta Nuer because you are coward. Matal the Nuer can rajul that it might the shackle manuer. De metan danga bumchi the Nuer. A collapse saga because some go to my book the sugar and you using other tribe to kill Nuer in your name. Lakin Nuer benikum yamtani. Nuer benikum one upon a time. John Garang Michi Katal Nas fi Malabanado. jo ga jagde lakin fi 1991 Nuer nek nas fi bor kaman Nuer nek nas fi bor fi 1991 fi 2013 Nuer katalu fi Juba the same 2013 Nuer nek nas fi bor o nek nas fi mala del kulu fa alanil Nuer al boktulu de ba shoya be nek danga zede o ma fi gibila basatkum ma fi gibila basatkum da ma fi gibila basatkum asa shakala da bigo kwet lana UN ja and so what happened lana wukide kulu riak mashar ache by right riak mashar yo mashkala riak mashar lelu use tum sejin riak mashar why you still killing targeting Nuer alele where who can we blame now Sajman bataw manaro kill bataw manaro salbakere awir mugafal bataw manaro salbakere who will he blame lana kulmayom riak mashar stab the movement in the back riak mashar alele gar bisijin biyet batakum who will you blame this time around bogulu le munu that the Nuer boktulu munu boktulu utu moktul Nuer le who will you blame ma riak mashar bataw de garbage bataw riak mashar kulmayom ay yade bejiw bajdaw faraz bataw riak mashar as almost 7 months guard decision 7 months almost 7 months guard decision ila nazal boktulu chan shunu galu man hukuma what kind of government it is what kind of government el mashkila sajmanin baden lokatalu bokor zamara Nuer che koy nok Nuer right by la Nuer ba mal rebeng ba malu Nuer le boktulu fi ayode u Nuer le boktulu fi lawda de rebeng ba malu fi ngong lale yagane ne rebeng de ba malu fi dingchole ne rebeng de ba malu fi rang ne rebeng de ba malu fi ruwang ne ma fi zol babdal Nuer ba dakal fi malta zol ma fi zol babdal ila ya shiramis beji be ko ba joy Nuer che by right Nuer ba din kum. The entire Africa now, people now are fully aware of what Denga is doing for Junuf. But the Tabiu Ajat Quez the dollar, but the Lishil dollar Gadam, because some come you targeting twice. Would make you like to Mabok the chocolate at twice. Law Malu chocolate at 101, Gabila Banado Denga, Mabu Shackle, Gabila of Junuf. The same thing. Fi Chuluk de Maji Shackle Madanga, Jabunas Kulum. Mule Maji Shackle Madanga, Jabunas Kulum. Bega bila sagar bachakal madenga bejibunas kulum le lana denga karnas kawen nas mabugdul shakal buktul fiyal sugarin. But I'm here to tell South Sudanese, especially Nuer media and other media, that's good job, job well done. Now the entire Africa is fully aware. But Africa has a bigger bakalam. Gadi shitumu dengade. Good social media. Gadi shitumu dengade, gadi shitumu salbakere. Very soon, salbakere bamje bara bikurzede. Salbakere bamje bara uma bamje bekar bamje sejenal bamje emal. Lana African Union have spoken. Galule salbakere salam but at 2018 they were salam brao mafi salam tani. And Riek Machar must be released. Riek Machar must be released without condition. Uloma malu release. Fizol Benego, Africa benignas. It's no longer about Nuer anymore. The man Nuer daga be ubara sagade. Kalam ne biga machila da Africa asade. Not magade num fi Africa be kalam dengade. Asor gari shuwa asor ayal sukari na dabawde. Africa magade num kulu. Africa kulu magade num. Zul boksu na zede fi Africa. Zul tabande de kilip tabande de banana salvaker. Kilip mind of fighter. Kilip mind of fighter, mind of musakbal, mind of chunu, zol bas gade kara vijisumutaw, zol gade bull vijisumutaw. Yo boktul vi alnas. Yala yal sharamis beji be social media in there that we have to say something good about Denga. Go the fuck out of here. Denga de amal junu. Ashana de kala maja ko. Denga de kala munu fi junu zrat. Denga de kala munu fi junu zrat. Ashana de ko min denga. Denga de yido junu. Denga de lo sebu manuera lele. Denga de bokot fi junu. Dengal gad fuka kuma lel mi 1992 de le woman ma beji denga burol ma de rigide ma woman liza gadi chub Nuer gede that's why woman ma beji min ka kuma o dengal gad fi Junub Sudan ne bokuj fi ka kuma kaman just the giga bas denga de bokuj fi ka kuma kulo you know kalama kan dera malude sharmadal dera maluda de to unite South Sudanese to target Nuer kalam da sa biga mishkila kabir jirima le Salva Kiir Madir ra UN ja. African Union gari kalam. IGAD gari kalam. America gari kalam. America gari kalam. Canada gari kalam. Australia gari kalam. Everybody's talking. Now media about Africa, they figured out. Media about Africa kulo. Let's see. Denga Babel control the munu. Who will you control? I just bigger for yet Africa as a kulu. Bigger for yet media about Africa kulu. It's not longer about Nuer running. It's bigger about Africa kulu. That's Nuer being target. One tribe being target. Using resources for a dollar. Killing children and women. Africa de woman ma der kalam de. Unushub lo denga de mama nego. Nushub denga lo mama nego. Very soon they balga jej to Africa regime change. Regime change adil gade regime change America bamalo. Very soon rebel le kulu bamalo unite. Rebel le kulu million for gabade bamalo unite. Bamalo unite regime change. Read my lips. Very soon America will unite all the entire rebel. Basaduman for Uganda. Mautu Shaba Hameti got for Uganda. Hameti got for Uganda. Very soon to you rebel like you know Sudan Basad for Uganda in Uganda Basad. Kenya Basad. Ethiopia Basad. Sudan Basad. Unushuf. Lo Ukuma Bragun Bumchiwen. Ukuma Baktu Yal Bumchiwen. You want us to come to social media to support that government without shame. You want us to say something good about that government. That's been happening to social media, but I like Dung John, that Danka, then ask what is in. Danka got Amalai quest. When I the quest? The Bayalta Nas? The Bayalta, Nuer, you are the quest? The got the Bayalta, Nuer, the Ganam. Musakbal, like you know, Nuer Ramal, you know, like him. Logabila, I know, and I do dang, I do make it a man, Mamjil, Nuer Kagabila. Why are you using this outside, you know, Why are you using something called South Sudan People Defense Force? Who are you defending? Who are you defending while you killing children right you know? Yalla Bogtulu ma yalla you know that? Yalla yal Sharami in the social media, you want us to talk nice. You want us to talk nice about Denga behavior with you know. Now, Lofi Nazutum Gadamal the Pichuluk, then Adel, Kosum not there. Lofi Nazutum Gadamal Lutum Gadade the Pichuluk, Kosum not there. Lofi Nas. It's le betagu munchiluk ko somna de na de toroko indade anona bara minadel anona min bara minadu tunga de samaro de lo finad munchiluk tunga de samaro the man na de toroko inde who will speak loud always now we know that we are on the right side of history another guy will joke quest that's why le medir UN ja medir UN wasal filaw yen Nuer media cha magolat lazim we must continue focusing on this atrocity. Video de jebo lo visual bogol minwer gal video de mai jebo fi social media. Nuer de dorobu besela. Lo ma be jebo fi media. How can we make the world aware? How can we make the world aware? Tagari shakal ma resource da dollar. It's not about Nuer woman now. Shakal de muk. The world must be made aware that Denga is using resource targeting Nuer. Yamda woman, Kalam the Gali, Yamda General Tauman Gali, Yamda de that who will web out, who will analyze anything. I the Buktulu, the General Tauman. We all Kalam the Garamalosa. O Kalam de Amulu, General the Kalam the Yamda Kalam the Shal for UN Security Council, Amulu report the Nak. General the Kalam Yamda de that said Nuere, Bamalu, Buktulu Kulu, Jedada Buktulu, Mara Buktulu, Kili Buktulu. General le Amulu report the UN, the UN Security Council. They all job Madeira UN. Lana, this is what taking place. Kalamugali amda yoga ramalosa. Heading agenda but adenga. Killing Nuer. Randomly. Jenna Mara. Not Mudakena Dabaufi. You see the guys shoot video. Lo fizzle no gilip it out Mendanga. Shoot video. Video will jam in Ayot. Shoot video. And tell me what you see. Shoot video jam in loud. Video da motan bata laude. Tunga de ko minutes feel ayo then you target. Motan da law. Ubarchu ay lo Nuer amar revenge. Na the G call oh Nuer save the woman in the back. Woman cut up dollar. Too many crying. Motherfuckers. Idiot. ho ko som kum ko som salbakir clip bitaw manalo salbakir shilu fi bargazal shilu fi when we don't give a fuck the mare is batana the mare is batana the is batadenga the mare is batana is not our president reis batana lisa maja reis batana fi junub sudan lisa maja clip belgad fi gidamna daade de clip batadenga o denga shil clip bitaw clip belgad bul fi jisim bitaw de clip de denga shilu ishilu fi musajfa ishilu fi dinkum ishilu fi when we don't give a fuck shilu anana madano ulo ma shalu dola da bagsumu de sama bagsumu dola da de sama ma fi zol bogol fi darata danga ma fi zol danga de ma ba kam na fi junub sudan never lo junub de remain kai one country danga de ma ba kam na fi junub sudan de ulo danga lize insist galumun ba kam na dola da bagsumu be region or bagsumu be junub bagsumu kar denga de yamshi bilata denga ya kam denga ina re dole ka talu galu mai kore Nuer moton da Nuer these Nuer people they come on social media to mourn their loved one ka talu de ila denga beji fi la video sa today the shitum nas fi video wata na tanin ashe yan point tunga de chuba na fi video wata denga the munol got a quick video that anger. Do we give a fuck about your video? You've been isolated. To God bragana. Kalamba look of attack, Kalamba look at them, we don't give a fuck. Lakin we will continue with our mission that the world need to know that there's genocide taking place with Junuf. Target killing. Targeting one ethnic group. Mudashana kalabata Nuer, Albanado na tabanda engaide. Naz lolgar kwade naz ngwen mintwile naz turkewde naz dollar naz regay kok naz regbim kadi shub yal Nuer dabaw zere and the thing they okuma to hell with that government ma that government went upon a time they told us gadi shakal ma SPLIO la rasa ma fi video jawo bara da SPLIO katal motan da denga yelo tum na be na ru hukuma de Nuer be na ru hukuma de where is your say fi male ita ga hukuma ja Nuer da bawo ma denga de galumun ga di shakal ma SPLIO de yal to garin da Nuer SPLIO yal da Nuer da bawo de SPLIO chor da Nuer SPLIO ming da Nuer SPLIO Gwandit with a Nuer SPLIO. Mandong with a Nuer SPLIO. Cause some kumutum na the garden that God will find you. Nuer God for Kumade. I jade God Amalo Lela Shankum. I shan't come to my collab there, but I don't know God for Kumade. But do not to God for Kumada there, Denga will never try this. Denga ma bajira bajas if it do tanwer. Budun Nuer. Albanado Nuer wewde agad fu hukuma de ya gruj bita me gruj de magad fi alili lo torodo hukuma de lele lo Nuer wege fu mal wide unas gabel amal unite Nuer lo amal unite lele gabel ba amal unite kulum bi ay Nuer lo amal unity bita Nuer de unity de Junub Sudan unity bita Nuer de unity bita Junub Sudan lo Nuer wede lele gabel kulu bege Nuer uke Nuer amal unite fi 1991 gabel kulu waga Nuer be denga uke Nuer amal unite fi 2013 gabel kulu waga Nuer Michael Allah mu shitaduna lele kulu de Michael da Nuer garbi wa kwanu bara Nuer baktul fi yal da Nuer be sum da denga da kalam bas akil bas chit bas kalam akil bas kalam chit bas shit al binta bukra Pisan manin baji bara da na bordo le dariyang mi sharbam ci lara dariyang mi sharbam ci bainteo u kusum al banadu dengal banadu salbake boktul nas fi yuay boktul nas fi walgat mo bor ma batalo mo bor garu rajil galindo galgat lo moru rajil leto ma basal salbake ma gadi chakal ma fi layo le boktul yal dalaw lakin yow makila akalaf bauman bakal ila woman jizar fi yal fi akwanu udenga asa laga fursa de gara opportunity from Nuer wewde without you denga will never dare to question Nuer never in this life without you to Nuer Algat Hukuma de Mabaro, what do you call the government? Albanado Hukuma de Chunine. What do you call the government? Government when? Government man respect to the law. That's Geneva Boktulu, Marama Boktulu, in line with Geneva Convention, rule the UN. Mabu Mara Boktulu. Yamda can wear Mrs. Pajot, SLI of physics Pajot, Arada Danga. Woman can Boktul Danga, Bore Yamda, the Kulu, not the Pajot de Kulu. Lakin Marcus Shala White. In the video with a dang, Isumai dang, Isumai Gwag, Isumai Kosum, SPLI of Musaganana, or SPLI of Macatalanana. Video do Kulu guy. We have all this fucking video. Man, where can't book to Lumen Dade? Can't map his old video in Vijot. Nuer can't book to Lumen Kulu. Nuer Mongan in Decal Vibur Bukurade, but Sarah with Okuma Dade, Obama Kasarat, Boktul Danga, the Kulu Viburade, Woman Mabam Chibuba, Woman Barja. Nuer Mongan in Decal Vimulut, Lele Muluk, it Decal Muluk, Boktul Bajana Kulu. Nuer Mongan in Decal Ruang Gribe, Boktul Be Marakulu Dade. Why is the logo to Malvitao? Madaka Sarat Salvakere Mongo to Gurus without Dade, like in Danga de, but Talodinu Fiamal. Is she Lubagar Batao, Yoktulu Yalo? Ma as Yalayo, my Kalamakalamada, Jubatane. All Kalamado Okuma Bagar, no forget about Gerda Okuma Dade, it a book for Shakal Dagabela Magabela. It a book for Shakal Dagabela Magabela. You try first. Gabila Bata the Bajawal, Baramin Dinubin. Kalaman Mogulas, Fialayo is fighting for change, forget about change. As Fialayo could see chocolate and Nuero Danga. No shub Lofizol Bobdal Ruan. Lofizol Bobdal Fifan ruined. Ruan, Lode me al Binta, young wife. Binta, Mavizol Bobdal. Mavizol Bobdal. Lofizol Bobdal Vimulut. Muluk the Fizol Bobdal view. Ngong lali yak de be malakal betaw pitol be ko malakal ma umbar man jere yal chalamit jere umbare talga kol bi hoj beta faro mi daram nas sita talga beta fikem denga gade kalam kalam da shekala kulmayo mi malakal wallahi faro mi marat faro mi amal gede faro mi golo gona faro mi ay kare nu chub denga de uman bugdar shekala ul mamudu shekala kare jibu fikem daade darabo ba sita talga bat denga jere kulu chuluk ja listen why you running umbar man manam vi malakal sajmanin manam vi malakal gari jinna nas bakalam shekala bas faro mi marat munu marat sita talga ta fikem oj beta faro mi do 40 fikem lo daroba 40 do kulu to mam jiwen ko som kom ya ina la din kom ya Gina taban min mushakal da denga de dilo dola bataw it dilo dola bataw karra de salba kede karra e bul be jisum bataw na de dola bataw denga nobody will care, nobody will give a fuck. Badal te shilu denka bataw mde denka taban be marisa de juba banaro kira de shilu musajwa yitumbe de social media you try to argue with us. Today the shackle and on social media. Pre media batana. The ma media batadanga. The ma paget batadanga. The paget batana. You try to argue us. That's not my column. Anything denga does with Sudan lo batal not my column. And denga mangot denga de munuja with denga yo kalaknas. Yamda who cannot fight bill from. And my sharp judge with a denga of your other shuluk. They can't judge with a shuluk. And my sharp judge with a denga of your other Nuer. They can't judge with a Nuer. I the bill can't get the shackle for other batao. Yeah, we have a right to say that Denga my leadership Tana. We have a right to say that Denga my leadership Tana, not my Denga. Nobody can force us against our own will. Get the fuck out of here. Utum Denga de, wallahi utum bat fa taman with Sudan. As I de, ata azoli should bitter Denga Jamil get a zibutak mabogum. There where we are now. Bitter Denga Jamil get into one wham gabir de zibutak mabogum dadu. Ma gadi shubu da mara gadi shubu da adu batanas ma bizol bono ma adu bataw de yo mala nana wasal fi walele bita denga Jamil de shunu de aizo lo sha bita denga de bagli brother you don't want to look at them landa adu enemy aje de lo wasal venezuela de karaye hatred that anona ma de rin denga tan anona ma de rin denga wallahi lo kusbada denga lo shunu nobody care ma fi dol denga kulukul aje banaru denga de anona ma de denga amshi amal dola badak amshi amal panenale fana kosum de nobody give a fuck ashan to go vinu na da de fadi la afrika ashan ne binaru fi gabila zaro gad ma junubin banaru denga tamsik lena zola yan fi gidam na zai tum liza gade kalam glada bin you talk anyhow instead you will look for medical attention to help your motherfucker tam jida sa zol batakum de mafi you argue with that you try to argue with that today the golena shunu yani what do you want to tell us that we should not talk the Juba do you think this motherfucker is Juba the New York I'm talking here based on Constitution of the United States. Based on Constitution. Constitution. That I have a right to speak. I have a right to go yet, but I have a declaration for the need for the Salbaki refuse. I have a right to say that. That is why we came to America to talk like this. That yet, but I have a declaration for the need for Salbaki. Lana Salbakir Boktul Finas, the Mayan Betay Omikilla, the Salbakir Omikilla Boktul Fial Tanas, while we speak now Fial Tanas in Takulum. So long a duckle yet, but I forget that Salbakir round it is where it belongs. The Bishagal man of social media says, Madi Chitim Salbak, Custom Salbakir, my Chitumule, Boktul Fial Tanas. What is it? A look at Amal Quay Vidora Lele. African Kuluga, the core, the Kulu Basin. Yalta nas fadal fi juwagaba gada dorob tayara denga ma indo tayara ta Uganda de indo shuna jana biu Uganda denga ma bodre biu akil bitaw lagin biu Uganda so to motherfucker denga do jafi libi de wene mind your fucking business or you will be blocked forever. I don't have time to waste on you here. Now you cannot intimidate nobody. We here to speak and we will speak loudly. We're not about shitim. We're not about gola yaja. Nana Shitima Batana de Maka min Salbakir Boktul Nas. Shitima Batana de is million times better than Salbakir Boktul Finas. Shitima Batana de Ma Boktul Zol. I can Salbakir Boktul Nas. Shitima Batana da awareness. Making people aware that a Kalaba Banaro Danga, they need to go. They need to form their own fucking country. Woman Mama God will not say instead now will unite again Nuer, people will unite with Nuer to deal with Danga. This is coming. People will unite with Nuer to deal with Danga. Karichu fi Junub Sudan, they are to Gabila Mindu Michela Madanga. They are to Gabila Mindu Michela Madanga. Danga Indu Michela Ma Egotori Kulu. Gadi Shila Razda Egotori. Jubalgan Manari Jubanabari. Bigger Jubana Danka. Jabalado. Bigger Jabal Danga. Torit, Razata Danga. Malabanaro, Numlide, Dibiga Danga, Indo Danga ship Zado. Danga, Adil Gade, Paramount ship, fi Malta Zoltani. Egotor the Maga, the Danga, Bigger Danga, you got few. Bear, Yagal can match him Magum Dade, and Yagama Yokani of that Catalu, the Kilipachala, the Danga. The Muna Catala Yagam Dade. And now you try to fool with social media for Kalaba Dade. To clever gal Salbakir bedi sulala anyak there to Salbakir bedi sulala anyak Salbakir ma bedi idara la anyak fi anyak shagal hukuma da Salbakir fi anyak shagal hukuma da Salbakir kare jible na anyak shagal hukuma da Salbakir lo denga be anyak le ma fi anyak ga shagal hukuma da Salbakir kare jible na mozo buta anyak shagal hukuma da Salbakir do even anyak shagal hukuma da Salbakir ma fi Anyak gar fi dar zamole. Anyak de historical place bashala lo de historical ko gwaj le anyak ma budelo idara braw. Le anyak ma budelo idara braw. Le anyak go bitet molle ga bila sagar yam dawo kid anyak ga di shakal marab molle kan ga di shakal ma fiele. De juno be ji molle le jar molle ko ni do idara wa anyak gar fi idara zamole. Ma jan molle de rujal molle ga ni nas. Umul anyak ma dere nik denga anyak biga bicha denga bas denga ajwel biga kwes yam dagre anyak kan kara ajwel kulu aya de bananu ajwel le anyak madero ajwel bi ko kweza lele ajwel la chunun ndur junu ber ajwel la lele bi ga ajwel ma anya achel get the fuck out of here ajwel ma anyak ma bokun achel naba ma yam dare aya de kulu bra anyak ajwel be lay maraj ajwel be gong maraj ajwel be daw maraj ajwel kalam de bi ga ke balele anyak bansa ajada ajwel amol yam dare fi tang ajada ajwel amol fi tang wan ajada ajwel amol fi penyido ukit katalo anyak kulu fi aganga 1989 katalo anyak kulu fi aganga da ajwel anyak le dorob mda anyak dorob kem mata ajwel fi block 12 le anyak dorob kem mata ajwel fi block 12 anyak ma dorob kem mata Nuer dorob kem mata ajwel fi block 12 le la anyak dama anyak ma bogod ma ajwel fi malwai kedubule mda de gala anyak be shila cover or anyak ba that's why anyak are claiming for ajwel when akoba da when akoba de Nuer yo bakala ma kum da ba ajwel akoba de Nuer yo bakala ma kum da ba ajwel ajwelle bakala ma ajwel de ma bizul bozul ve akoba aza dunga akoba je bet kala ma akoba aza de inta min yalnas ma pi anyak bozul ve akoba betrega ba Nuer bata denga ya denga they is just using you denga bidig sulaw denga ma de denga ma bidig dara bata anyak ma indu fawo vi Sudan anyak ma indu guo vi Sudan see all foolish anyak became anyak fi Sudan ma fizol chegal fu kuma da denga degree kul mayom ma fizol gari jebo degree kul mayom ma fizol gari jebo lo denga gari ba nyak le ma fizol da nyak chegal fu kuma da salbaker le ma bi mozo da nyak chegal fu kuma da salbaker anyak liza bogot fi dar ramole lo anyak da nas ko isin denga be yebuman lo jwel bigge nas ko isin wo jwel la tunu tunga nya wo jwel chamana shel ga nya a jwel ka nya be da ga choge le jwel ma be dikumi dar btakum le utum liza ga fi dar ramole mole ga shil yal takum de jwel ma ga kula yaje lande siyaza da jwel so it is just a fucking matter of time yam da katalu general da nya ga kan ga bi chala de katalu anyak de kalam darabu man batayarat awal na darabu batayarat de fi junub banda anyak so anyak bansa meten when did you forget all this bullshit but denga de so denga bi junub Sudan everybody hate dinga nobody like them they are too mole de kul mayom bot jonkot yo mikila mole tal bi chulu ni jang they all sabab chuluk chal de baba lele ubaburat de mikila ta jang it is just a matter of time gabele will unite behind Nuer gabele kulu will unite behind Nuer uba dung nyaman jana mo gefe denga bokor bi Junub Sudan denga de bokor wukite jakalas it's not gonna take 2 months gabele mamul unite behind Nuer it's not gonna take 2 months gabele kulu mamul unite behind Nuer la ana nas biga tabanin be mushagal ta denga ko sumkum we cannot please you. Now, media, but Oman, you try to say something. You try to argue that we should say something good about Denga. What is it? The channel Bogulu Quest the Kalam Denga. Dollar about Sakranin, dollar about Sukurjin, dollar about Sharamis, dollar about HIB. More of the can mafi Junub Sudan, the man bigger Maliana say, Obutul Junubin. HIB, Denga, Ojabo. More of the can mafi Junub Sudan. Another kan ga numma banat batana ajmal banat fi dunya kullu beautiful girl asa banat ma yi budun rujal denga ga num ga dik rujal denga biga bane rujal zaro rujal da denga biga bane ku fi kala fi buluas yela umman si banat how many ta na ga di shoot video na de nas ga di ko fi buluas ga de ne ku rujal adil ga de denga basib rujal basib nuzwan yam je ne rujal and you want us gal niji for mal no go laje kwez do kalam denga da denga da nas kwezin u denga da gabila kwez u denga ko nyali u nyali de taw we should not get the fuck nyali ni more ko som kum nyali da denu u fi nyali fi bele da denga nyali gam min da ma denga da fadal bet ma shaitan ma fi nyali wen nyali be god fi mal bani ko rajil nyali be god fi mal bani ko rajil damunal ma baarif giza bata 8 years old a book yam da arif bele da denga ma wala ta arab damuno ma baarif giza de دمنا ما بعرف قصة بتاع راجل المشي عمل شنو قدهن جنة بتاعه بكلام كنيسة ده دانغ يوقع عمل أجاد دنوير يوقع عمل أجاد أجا لما يوم ده أبوك دنوير أبوك سكار دنوير بدل قدهن بتاعه ده بكلام كنيسة ده دنوير دمنا قاعد عمل أجاد ده في جنوب لو ما دانغ. Who is doing all this nonsense? لو ده ما دانغ. Now get the fuck out of here. Now Uganda, now global TV network. Uganda is gone. Uganda is going back. Very soon, Denga will be left alone for Sudan. Not Bijiri better than Denga. Can a Guru Gara Kule, Guru de Benta Barchoya. Barchoya, the United States of America, my government, my president Donald Trump, Bamal sanction loyal. Oh, you'll never be done. Oh, you'll be a Michael at Denga, ma will be done. Fear of an oil embargo. Oil embargo. That's all your lama will be done. Lano yolle, you gotta be on us, not the bottle another. You gotta be Wagwalek, you gotta be Munu, you gotta be Munu, I shall name you to Real Danwer. Oh, yolle, Donald Trump will give about you. My president Donald Trump will sanction South Sudan. Will sanction South Sudan oil, where you will not be able to sell that oil. Will you then got a be better without Baraj and him, Shakal Mana? Denga de be biu ge begar bataw bada shani sha lana lele na daga da shakal juwala na baw bugruj na mo bordol na do lan na munle baw man bugruj na re gay ko baw man bugruj shanu man yutul muzakin branwer. Very soon President Donald Trump will sanction South Sudan oil. Will sanction South Sudan oil. Oil embargo. That's oil lema biu. Wa America بشوف أي زول ببيعوا يلا ده تلقى وأمريكا بجيب مرين باكود فلوجده مرين باكود أو يلا قاعد ببنتيو أو يلا قاعد فانرو مرين بشيلو بقوة كده ده ما ببيعوا برا ثاني ونشوف ده قاعد ببيعوا بقدر بتاعه برا عشان يشاكلونا لا ليل الناس قاعد يشاكل ليل شلو قاعد يشاكل مع نوير قاعد يشاكل مع نوير البوكتو ريال ده نوير ده قروش ما في حاجة ثاني ده أكل بس يا باومن أكل بس البوكتو ريال ده نوير. والله دم دا يال دا نوير ما بمشي ساكت ولو دنگا ده aja nana we begging SPLIO da kwa nyin kain fal aja da bago lagal fi tarir o fi hukuma da daga yaru naw utum da shub kalama da denga da yal da denga da lazumu mana mut kaman denga e kore kaman yam da ku ruman mat fi 1991 le mo liza ga kore yam da ku ruman mat fi 2013 mo liza ga kore yam da ku ruman mat fi adang mo liza ga kore denga da bukun mursalo yal bitaw mot kalama bago le hukuma bagaro ujuba ujunu da confusion sa da kalam far sa SPLIO kuch fi shakala da gabila magabila SPLIO kuch fi shakala da gabila magabila mashkila da denga da bayelo bai shakala da gabila magabila lakin lo tumaman lo gala nana bamsuk denga wanana basebo wanana da ite rebel ite yo bamal ganun do hukuma ba mal ganun rebel le ma ga damal ganun ite rebel ite boktul lay kosum tebishil bagar raye kuzum tebishil jana raye kuzum hukuma da ba ku ganun lakin ayo biga hukuma ureba hukuma biga zaro terrace ita ma bu shub yalda nor bokto lukul ma yama nan you think is okay that wona ga juba wona yi salbage no shabu wa ga juba bana wa SPLIO ba wa fi ngong la yak bia wa ngong la yak te bom ci dingjol te bom ci panru aktu lay jana kusum Actually, jeno ko somana arak bele da do kulo arak go kulo de mal da zede ma de se ba yaade ita ma bi shakal ita SPLIO ita ma bi shakal ma salba ke do to se gruj ta fa alanil gruj el gade jib chuluk de gruj de gade jib agbalak de gruj de gade jib gaay ya gol juno de gaay ko gruj de gade jib turkaw gruj de gade jib turkaw de lo gruj de ka taw fa alanil de batan da turkaw do bam jite do ma bi zol bi shakal dan. It's not a wise idea that you must be alive to them Juba. You must see Grush da Salvakir Falanin. The Mas Salvakir Garishal Magum, the Grush. Tayarade got a view become Grush white. Then white at Tayarade, the USD, 50,000 USD, 50,000 USD. Grush da Flojin. I feel I am Mubarak Floj. les pela ayo mo barak mal da file line de bata oyol lo tarak fulo dawde mal ta oyol le kalas gadi inta ma fi Uganda budgetani ala ma fi Salva Kiir be zoltani ma fi agbelek be biu ma fi munu be biu lo guru inta kalas nas kulu bijir be Salva Kiir da bi shaklu fi juba kalam guru de lele junubin na sajmanin kalam guru umman labin wara guru bas dol der guru bita karaba ta mara bataw guru da junu bo golam ci baksul yal da ner baksul yal da ner kalam guru ta karaba la na mara da zol gad fi Uganda mara da zol gad fi Kenya mara da zol gad fi nderin guru bita bet o guru de jabin fulo jine ila asfela ayo wutu de tam ci ju mam ci fulo am ci fulo de gad pe junu fi juba pe junu fi juba tabam ci juba de bul da Salva Kiir kulu da de stinky de bul kulu ma fi aje na mấy cái này phải ngon là ya phải đừng cho lên này đấy yêu phiêu mấy cái là cũng là bài gì nụ tay à rồi bốc thùng ya là nó dai mình đừng cho lên này đấy dai mình phơi tay à rồi bốc thùng ya là nó dai mình phơi NGPS về lại ở cái cái juba về ngu gor cái juba về yêu pal về là này đấy ite mas group de về là này you will make a contract ma gobran go gobre te mes mal ta yo le te be biu nas ite ezaro ite SPL ayo ite yo be biu nas ma ite hukuma fi warak you deserve to sell the royal te utu hukuma fi warak ta salam le SPL ayo ma rebel do hukuma so lo ite sarf Salva Kiir te tarado fi plojine de be biu warak bukra tayara ta Uganda de batarab dindanga badarab dindanga table shame lakin majila bata gal wona ga juba wona wi ngu gor ga juba du chunu fi juba ya le ci tanga show bata Salva Kiir bas de bas show bas yo ga na juba da ga de chuma pen be bul da Salva Kiir ma fi ya ja na am ci fulojini am ci ruwa ngene de kar yal bata ga mut ruwa ngene kar gang dor ki mut ruwa ngale mut fi fuloj de mut kwes te gadi shakal ma adu bra Nuer de ma Salva Kiir bi juba adu bra Nuer de z el gade de yo mekela bra Nuer de yo rek bra Nuer utuma je pira juba nafso te gadi bra riang mi char daman riang mi char de dem shi juba Nuer gadi pira junu bi juba de ma kalam juba de char riang mi char bi sijin gadi gol riang mi char yam da de daro ploj de shil o yalle bara karabo yalle la o yal ma ba karabo ke be yo boktul be Nuer Salva Kiir gari jib guruj min wen mushari frank ma shagal mushari bi darus be wel ma shagal de junu yo income da Salva Kiir ma de bas braw so lo te chal je do kulu fogo waya mi do kulu o gang dor Kiir wes fiela ayo da de be shil bas tala yom mal da gutu marago مشكلة انت على Salva Kiir ببيو ناس بجنودان ببول براو ناس جارين ورا Salva Kiir اللي كلام اكل بعد كده زاد تيو ببيو ناس زادو لانه انت government SPLI is a government you will sell the oil اللي انت بعمل contract بتاعه لانه في اوراق you are the government you qualified عشان تبيع oil لاك برا لكن ngong ena كاي نك دون juba mangat نغنواره في بلوجيني وتمشي juba guru de beshilu foloje ne dare biyo ba tayarat te de tam juba gade dramita te raja wara moton fadal moton ne katalu dabaw le utum rodin tum gade sib mushakal fi alanil mushakal bida junum kulu gal fi alanil kalam zede utum sib yalo gal wona ga juba e juba mangat fi junu fi juba ina ma fi ade fi juba that's why to juba sa denga bugul hai amshi juba la na ma fi juba lakin alele if you change your policy that another buku vlog de lazim damaro all you need to matam to vlog arak file line de bas shagal mo kuma de denga de be shagal mamun gang dor Kiir jai fi my wudini jai fi long shogani jai fi nasarene jai fi langene wes fiela ayo jai fi tariqa da Khartoum jai fi tariqa da Malakal jai fi tariqa everywhere futu mamul warning le shuluk لو انتم دكل في شغله ده انا بقتل كله او انتم عمل وارنينج لشلوك بس شلوك اقبل لك لو شغله ده قبيله مع قبيله لو اقبل لك دكل بس في شغله ده شلوك ده انا بقتل كله ده منو مشاغل ما في شلوك مشاغل بقول له والله لا ما في شلوك ده شغال والله ده عمل كلام فارغ شلوك بقي مع نور كله شلوك مواطن ده شلوك بقي مع نور كله بس سياسه ده شلوك بقي مع نور كله بلوي ده واقع خلاص انت عارف بلوي ده لو انت ما عارف بلوي ده انت ببيعه برا تبيعه يلا برا لكن ngong na ga dung juba maslo juba ka chotal ba ker ba ga fi juba da bul bata ba juba da ga chum karra bas marisa wa ya ma fi ya ina tum masib ala nil kul ma ya untum ga da sib zet untum ma ga da juba tum fi la yo man kila bata mu da fi ala nil ne man kila bata mu ma juba is too big for you poloide de sagar ga da bas tala din denga de be yal bata denga de bijir bukura denga be defak bukar tom de kulo be defak fi arad da chulu da min ma yaji fi arad da chulu na ba daba man kulo fi malaka le de so to mes fi la ayo se mission da juba de tal mission la poloj upanru ay mal deal with denga da le ni le denga gal gore ma patrol le boktul noer patrol le boktul noer man ga da amal le patrol le boktul noer al boktul yal da noer. Thank you, guys.